Hey everyone there, you're watching Tech Unicorn channel. I'm Prakash. I'm here with another video to show you, explain you what's graphics card and how it's used and why should we buy it and how much should we buy it. So let's roll the intro. So you have watched the intro and before that you watched the sunset scene, so I was not putting one day video so that I could shoot that, and I am shooting it right. It's 2 o'clock, 2:30. So I can't talk very loudly, so if I am very soft, sorry for it. So what's in it, what's happening? So the graphics card, graphics card is important because everything you watch in internet, like videos, photos, everything is graphics, right? It's not like graphics is something 3D projected. It's not graphics card. It's not graphics actually. The video you are seeing, it's also graphics card. Graphics card intends to work. So if you are seeing some content like my video, so the graphics card renders like my face, where should the eye come, where should the blur come, the teddy bear and that laptop and that screen should be blurred out, like this also, this side also should be blurred out, and me should be the focus. The computer knows that because I am shooting it right like that, and I am sending the information to the YouTube. So you are seeing it like YouTube sends information to your graphics card what to show where it. So it calculates it, it calculates how many distance from this, how many pixels should be difference from this to this, and it shows my eye and nose should be how much distance from my cheek and all, and it shows like that. So it has to be rendering everything. So it is very good at rendering graphics. It's not good at processing some numbers and all like that. It's not good. So it is actually based on that. So what I think about Nvidia and AMD, what is the best game, best thing to be purchasing? So I prefer Nvidia. Please AMD fans, don't come and crash me like anything, because AMD fans are there and I am not there, because I don't like AMD because it's not crafted well. Actually the look of the graphics card is not crafted well, because people buy graphics card to show others I have graphics card, or the person is game enthusiast, or they are rendering things and making 3D models. So one of those are ticked, if I am putting videos, I am playing games, so I want to show my graphics card. So if I am showing the AMD card, so it's not looking, the so-called sexy, it's not looking good, it's not appealing, so I don't like it. And the second thing is, it's not good at performance. It's not at good, it's not very good at performance also. Its high-end card is not not competing with the Nvidia, because it's Nvidia is very good at this graphic processing thing, because they are in this field for a long time. AMD is not, and AMD gives the graphics card for a low price than AMD. So I love that thing. They are giving graphics card for a low price. If you are a low budget graphics card, a gamer, you should buy AMD graphics card because it is low priced than Nvidia. If you want Nvidia, so the best thing to go is Nvidia 1050 or 1060 if you are low budget. If you are high budget, you can go to 1080 or 1070. Don't go to the another sections like processor, I mean the manufacturing level graphics card, like the professional ones. They are not meant to be playing games, or it's especially for rendering graphics. It's not like if the professional one you carry, it's not, I mean, you can play games, but it is not worth it for the money. Like it is having like $25,000 and all, so you should not waste your money on that. You can get it like 1080. So that's my preference. So how many GB I need, like everything it has, like RAM and all, so the GB counts. So the maximum GB is 11 GB. People use 11 GB graphics card, like 4 graphics card in one motherboard and all. So why the hell they use it like that? Why the hell they are cramping many graphics card into their computer? See, nowadays the softwares are becoming more higher, and if they are having a good graphics card, they can render 3D models and cartoons very soon and all. Like it is good for rendering, not for gaming purposes. If you are having two 1080 Ti, you can play in if you are having one 1080 Ti graphics card, you can play in 4K 30 FPS. If you are having two graphics card, you can play with everything high. You can play in 60 FPS also. So here the things comes, like after two cards, you should not think I should buy two more for get more effort. Like it's not possible to get more than that. So you should actually, if you have money also, you should have like two graphics card for gaming only. If you are rendering something, that's not the case. So if you are having like you want graphics card for phone, what to select? Like 4 GB is the maximum. After that, it's not necessary actually. Nowadays 1 GB and 1.5 GB games are also coming in the phone. So it's essential to get after like 3 or 4 GB. Like in a computer, you have to get like 6 GB or 7 GB graphics card, so that everything goes smooth. Okay, that's all for this video. You know all about graphics card. If you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe this channel. Tada, bye bye, peace.